Chapter 3. Understanding the database. Introduction. You must have noted how information is arranged alphabetically in a dictionary or in an encyclopedia. The dictionary or encyclopedia also has an index at the back to help you search for information quickly at any point of time. In other words, the dictionary or the encyclopedia contains related information, organized in a logical manner for easy access. The dictionary and encyclopedia are two examples of a simple database. What is a database? A database is a collection of information that is organized so that it can be easily accessed, managed and updated. Data is organized into rows, columns and tables, and it is indexed to make it easier to find relevant information. Data gets updated, expanded and deleted as new information is added. What is DBMS? A database management system, DBMS, is system software for creating and managing databases. The DBMS provides users and programmers with a systematic way to create, retrieve, update and manage data. What is RDBMS? Relational Database Management System, RDBMS, have become the most popular type of database management system. A relational database is a database that allows related data to be stored across multiple tables, and linked by establishing a relationship between these tables. This provides an efficient way to store data, as you can enter data once, then reference it from elsewhere in the database. Popular examples include Microsoft Access, SQL Server, Oracle Database, MySQL, FileMaker, PostgreSQL, and more. In RDBMS, data is organized in the form of database, tables, and fields. Database. A database contains tables, forms, queries, and reports. It is the main file or document used to manage information. Queries. A query is a question you ask about the data in your database. Forms. A form is a way of viewing, entering and editing records in a database. Reports. It provides a way of presenting data on paper as meaningful information. Tables. A table is a collection of records. Fields. The data in the table is organized into columns called fields. Each database table contains a common data field called primary key. A primary key links between different tables to provide relationship among each other. For example, a school database will contain tables for information on students, fees, examinations, admissions, etc., and these all tables can be related with students' registration number so one can easily manage data entry and report of the information. Databases in day-to-day life. In our daily life, we come across various types of information that might be organized by a database. For example, in a shopping mall, the bill gets generated by an automatic billing system of the mall. This system has the database of product inventories from which the bills get generated. Different places like hotels, offices, hospitals are some of the examples where database play an important role. Let us look at the main constituents of a database. It consists and displays data used in forming the table. A table, therefore, is the structural unit of a database. The data in the table is organized into columns called fields and into rows called records. A field name is the heading under which the data is provided. It describes the type of information it contains. Example, serial number, name, and phone number. A field contains the data or information under the field name. In the figure, Amy and 0491 to 236,565 are the data in the given fields. A record is the complete set of related fields. In the figure, one can see the entire row of data. Let us find out how a computer manages a database. Database management involves creating database tables and fields, selecting and viewing the data, modifying the database, adding and deleting data, controlling how and where the data is to be stored, providing quick and easy access to the data, protecting and securing the data. The software that allows you to perform all these tasks on a database is called a Database Management System, DBMS. The common examples of a database are the address book and the telephone directory. Suppose that you wish to update the telephone numbers in your address book. You would need to refer to the address book as well as the telephone directory for this purpose. Then you would make the changes manually. Your job could be done more easily and quickly if the two databases were linked or related in a certain way. Then the address book could be updated automatically as and when any change is made in the telephone directory. This is exactly what a Relational Database Management System or RDBMS does. The RDBMS helps to manage information from several separate databases that relate to one another through a unique field called the primary key. Some examples of RDBMS are Microsoft Access, Oracle, and Sybase.